Hey guys, how's it going? So, in this video, we're gonna be talking about Humble and my thoughts on Brian Foote and the May 7th conference call. So, the conference call was pretty good, and it feels like Brian Foote really cares about his business or his company because he's first of all, he's not taking a salary; he's paying himself $1. Second of all, he is retiring a lot of shares that he owns. And he also talked about acquisitions and how he's going to be personally using his own shares for the acquisition and not dilute the company for the acquisition. I mean, that sounds awesome. That sounds really great. I didn't want to make a video. I just wanted to, wait all week because I wanted to see how the stock price reflected even after the conference call, and it didn't do really good. It didn't do good. I mean, it did bounce back, but I still feel like that's nothing more than just shorts covering. The stock market is a dangerous place because there's always an opposite person. There's always the opposite side to, there's always a bear when there's a bull. So as long as there's short sellers in the stock market, it makes the stock market a very dangerous place because shorts can come in and keep shorting the stock, and then they'll cover it, and then they'll come back and short it. They're going to try to bring the stock price down as low as possible. And, if you are a non-shareholder, you want that to happen because then you can have an awesome entry price for if I don't know, there's still a possibility that, Brian Foote could deliver on his promise and make Humble a very valuable company in the future. And the lower and lower and lower the stock price goes, the less risk it becomes and the higher reward it becomes. So, yeah, I made a video on Humble when it was trading at $3. I was like, this company is trading at a $3 billion valuation. I was like, this makes absolutely no sense. I would definitely not be a buyer. And ever since I made that video, I mean, it's gone downhill ever since then. Even at $1.50, I was saying that, it's not a buy here. I think it's going to go down lower. And now it's trading at 99 cents. It's gone down as low as, 86 cents. Actually 84 cents, and then now it's if you bought at 84 cents, you could have made an easily 22% profit. Again, I still think it's going to go down lower. This is my opinion only because I'm just looking at it from a charting perspective and it looks weak, right? It sold off on big volume and then bounced back on lower volume. So the volume on the dip was 22 million, and the volume on the rally was 11.35 million. So my opinion is it could go up a little bit more, but I think ultimately it's gonna go down. I feel like it's probably gonna go down to around between 40 to 50 cents. At that point, even I would be, I might play a gambling play, but there's still a chance it can go even lower than 40 cents to 50 cents. But only time will tell if I'm right or wrong. There's probably so many bag holders in this stock right now, so many, especially if you bought at $3 or $1.50 and have never sold and just holding. You are bag holding big time. So I hope I'm wrong. I hope, I hope the stock rallies. I hope big money comes in and buys it up. I hope Brian Foote comes up with some, crazy update for the Humble app that just makes it so awesome that even I have to use it. But right now, I told you guys, I haven't even touched the Humble app after I downloaded. Ask yourself this. Have you guys used the Humble app after you download it? I have not even touched the Humble app. I said I wouldn't touch it. I don't see a reason to touch it. It looks, there's nothing in there that's beneficial to me. It's just sitting on my phone. So I feel like that's most people right now. So unless they come up with an update that makes the Humble app useful, I feel like Humble is going to sell off until that update comes that makes it Humble so awesome that everybody has to use it. And development takes time. So hopefully maybe within October or December of this year, maybe Humble will come up with some awesome updates and make the Humble Pay app awesome again. Oh, it was never awesome, but awesome eventually. So I wish you guys luck. I hope that I'm wrong. I hope that the stock price goes up and up and up and goes back to a $3 billion valuation and everyone is not big holding anymore and making money and feeling happy and just overall enthusiasts. But I hope so. I don't know at the end of the day. I still feel like stocks are controlled by big money, and big money ultimately has say in where the stock price goes. But if you are a non-shareholder and this thing goes down to 50 cents, I think the gamble versus reward is much better down there, because if it goes back to $7, if it goes back to $7, that's like a 300-400% return on investment. The only way that's going to happen is if they come up with an update on the app that makes it so awesome, so good, that and they're generating so much money that big money has to pump their money back into the stock. So only time will really tell where Humble will go, but right now it is downtrending. It's made a death cross and it looks like it's a falling knife. So definitely be careful. Wait. I'm personally not invested into it, but if it was go to 50 cents, I'll buy some for fun. And if it goes down to 25 cents, I'll double that position. And I hope that it'll rally back to $1 eventually. But that's my plan moving forward. Not financial advice to anyone. So do what you want to do. It's a risk at the end of the day. Ethereum, I feel like if the crypto market is under pressure, I feel like Humble will be under pressure too, because their business is heavily on the NFT and the blockchain and all that stuff. So the lower and lower crypto goes, the worse and worse it becomes. Ethereum is crashing or pulling back pretty hard right now. Same with Bitcoin, is pulling back pretty hard right now. Litecoin is also pulling back. Dogecoin is pulling back a little bit too. And Dash is taking a huge hit right now, down $32, 8.64. The one saving grace in the crypto market right now is Cardano. It seems to be going up. So we'll see what happens. I don't control the market. I feel like all the sell-off, people had to put their money somewhere and decided to put it in Cardano, and it's causing Cardano to go up. VGX token is also taking a little bit of a hit here too, but I like this token. And I don't own any, but I do like it because I own the stock, and I feel like a $797 million market cap is pretty low for a token that I think is going to be worth billions and billions of dollars in the future, especially if Voyager can succeed in their business plan and become a giant like Coinbase. Then the VGX token will be huge. Like the value will go up way higher than what it is right now, in my opinion. Anyways, that is it for my video. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.